In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to connect your BOYA by V10 microphone to your phone. Fast, easy, and no tech jargon. First, grab your BOYA by V10 and your phone. Take the 3.5mm audio jack from the mic and plug it directly into your phone's headphone or audio input port. If your phone doesn't have that port, use a compatible adapter, like a USB-C or Lightning audio adapter. Next, switch on the mic using the power button on its body. If there's a plus 10 decibel gain switch, only turn it on if your voice sounds quiet. Otherwise, leave it off to keep the sound clean. Once it's connected, open the app or recorder you want to use, like your voice app, camera app, or any recording tool. Tap record and do a quick test. If you hear clear audio coming from your voice or instrument, you're all set. Also, for better monitoring, plug a pair of headphones into the mic's headphone output jack. This lets you listen in real time and make sure everything sounds just right. And that's it. Your BOYA by V10 is now smartly connected and ready to capture crisp audio. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear tutorials.